Hi, I'm Adam Olin, CEO of Russell & Spark, a branding and marketing agency that specializes in independent schools. I'm also a former communications director for a 250-year-old Quaker school, so I know that as an enrollment or admissions professional, you are already planning and maybe stressing about open house. That's why we created this short course, the best open house ever. It's one tip a week for 5 weeks, and that's it. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. The human brain accounts for roughly 2% of our body mass, but it uses a ton of energy. In fact, when we're making decisions, that little blob in our head uses 1/5 of our body's energy reserves. That's equivalent to your quads on leg day. And it's why long questionnaires can feel so draining. Whether you realize it or not, open house is a long series of decisions. Do I like this place? Can I see myself here? How do I feel about the school colors? Even if we don't say a word out loud, we're still burning through a lot of energy. And if a prospective family has been to another school first, that means they're already depleted before they even get to you. What can you do about it? Easy. Recharge them. On arrival, have greeters welcome every visitor with a choice of snacks. But here's the thing, not just any snacks. Carbs are good, a little sugar is good, but too much will backfire. And it helps to have some protein and healthy options as well. So for example, chocolate-covered pretzels on one hand and apples and cheese on another. To get next level with this, incorporate honey, which is basically instant brain fuel. Of course, you'll want to have plenty of water on hand as well. Thank you for joining me. I was excited to learn this information, and I'm happy to share it with you. If there's someone you know who would benefit from it, by all means, share it with them. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, of course, you should like and subscribe. Now, go be awesome and have the best open house ever.